Hi everyone, I have some new jewelry that I want to share with you, as well as some other goodies that you might be surprised by. So I feel like I'm changing quite a bit in this sort of midlife season of life, and I am finding myself gravitating towards different styles and designs that I never would have thought I would. So let me start with the jewelry first. If you haven't been on my channel before, you may not know this, but Gingerberry is a jewelry brand that I have been wearing and been a fan of for over a year now. They are partnering with me on this video, but I will say that I love their pearl jewelry. I was introduced to pearls through Gingerberry. They are a British brand, and the quality and craftsmanship is so beautiful. And now they've expanded to create more designs, added more collections, and they also have diamond and gold jewelry as well. So I wanted to share with you some of the new pieces here. And with Mother's Day coming up, I thought maybe you can either consider a gift for your mom or for a loved one or for yourself. I'm definitely going to gift one of these pieces to my mom. So this one here is so gorgeous, and I never thought I would want a statement piece like this, but this here is called the Fleuron ring, and you're going to go crazy when I tell you the price because I was shocked by the price here. This looks so expensive. It looks very elegant. It is a showstopper, right? It is such a statement piece here. You can wear it on your index finger. I can also wear it on my middle finger here. This is my diamond tennis bracelet, and then this is the pearl bracelet that I've been wearing from Gingerberry for a long time now. The bracelets and necklaces are always adjustable, so you don't have to worry about sizing, which is really convenient. So this one right here is called the Fleuron ring, and it goes for $259. Legit under $300, well under $300. And I'm going to link any promo codes that I might have so you can save additional money if you decide to shop with Gingerberry. But the price already is so good. This is set in sterling silver, and then you've got AAA grade Aurora pearl. This is like top of the class, top-notch pearl quality. You can see the luster, and also the size is a really nice size here. This is not going to shrink in the background. This is definitely one of those pieces that will catch attention. And every time I receive any pieces from Gingerberry, I'm always reminded by how beautiful the packaging and the total presentation is. Each piece not only comes individually wrapped like so, but also they come with their own certificate of authenticity. Here I'm going to show you really quickly. This is going to be the matching earrings to this ring. So if you really wanted to go all out, this collection is so beautiful. The earrings are called the Aevum earrings, and they're about the same size as the ring, as you can see here. So imagine you have these on your ears. They're going to look so beautiful. I feel like they just look very, very chic. Also, they thought of all the details. So because this earring is quite sizable, it's not dainty, the backing here is larger than normal. So it's going to give you a lot of support on your earlobe, and it's going to sit very securely. You can see that here. So these earrings as well are under $300, and you get these two beautiful pearls sitting within this little crescent here. It looks like the crescent is wrapped around the pearl, and there is movement as well, as you can see. These types of designs are not what I would have been drawn to when I was younger. I feel like in all areas of my style choices these days, not just jewelry, but also clothes and accessories, I don't know, I'm definitely going out of my comfort zone. This one here I'll show you is the necklace, and this is also part of the same collection. This is the Alune necklace, and it is so gorgeous. Again, sterling silver, so you know it's going to last. And then you have that pearl sitting within the crescent, and there is going to be movement along the chain as well, and you can see the size difference here. So the necklace is going to really pop. I just feel like when you're dressed up and you're going out to a formal event or somewhere in the evening, it's going to look absolutely beautiful, really level up your outfit. As I mentioned before, the back here is going to be adjustable, so I really appreciate that. So sometimes you want the necklace to sit higher or lower depending on your neckline and what you're wearing, if it's a dress or a shirt, so you can adjust accordingly. And then I've got this other piece here, and this one is a beautiful emerald cut. Look at that shine. Look at that sparkle already. Wow. It's an emerald cut pendant set in 14K gold, and it's a lab-grown diamond, and so it's going to be much more affordable than a natural diamond. And with Gingerberry, their lab diamonds are always going to be of the highest quality. So you're going to get at least VS clarity or higher, and then the color is going to be between the D to F range. So you know that you're getting something that's really beautiful and sparkly. It's going to pick up the light. Also, I pulled these out of the boxes already because I have been wearing them for the last couple of days, but these are 3 separate rings that I've been stacking together. So this one here is called the Muse ring, and as you can see, it is very dainty. It's got little diamonds all the way across, set in 14K gold. You can obviously just wear it by itself, which looks really cute, but you can also stack it. So this one here is called the Tresse ring, and it's also 14K solid gold. Let me make sure you can see it clearly. I'll put it against a darker background. It's like this little twisted rope detail, and that's what I mean about texture. I feel like I'm just more drawn to visually interesting things now versus like just simple, plain, and minimalist. I'm still very much drawn to minimalist designs, but I like the texture for some reason. Just create something different to it. So you can add it like so. You can see. And then this one here is called the Reeve ring, and this is also 14K solid gold, and it's got like a flatter, thicker look to it, and it's ribbed. So what I like to do is I like to sandwich the diamonds in the middle, just like so. I feel like it looks really pretty and also just interesting, and it looks kind of like a thick, chunky ring, but it's just these 3 individual rings stacked. You can also move them around depending on the sizing of your finger. You can wear it on your thumb if you wanted to, right? So these are super fun. So like I said, I will make sure to put any promo codes down below, and I'll also add any links so you don't have to go hunting for them. Now this piece right here was a gift from the Baccarat Hotel. My husband and I love going to the Baccarat Hotel because they have this grand saloon or salon. It's like this beautiful ballroom, and there's always gorgeous red roses, and we go there for afternoon tea or lunch or dinner, just when we want to hang out with each other. And for Valentine's Day, we went to dinner there, and to our surprise, they had prepared a Valentine's Day gift. So I know Valentine's Day was a couple of months ago, but I haven't really had the chance to properly reveal this to you all. So I wanted to show you this adorable, beautifully cut Baccarat crystal bowl. It's quite small, fits in the palm of my hand, where it says Baccarat. Do you see that there from the inside? Don't know if you can see it, but it says Baccarat, and it's just beautiful. And you know, crystal, normally you want to take care of it, you want to hand wash it, you don't put it in the microwave or the dishwasher ideally. And when I was younger, I would have been like, ugh, poof, you know, I am not dealing with that. I like low maintenance and simplicity, and I still do for the most part. But I'm feeling like I want to just kind of add little accents, and this is just so pretty. I just don't know what to use it for. I want to use it, I don't want to keep it in the box. I want to use it every day, ideally, if I can, so that I can enjoy it. But I'm not used to these kinds of things. So if you have any thoughts or ideas on what I can use this for, please let me know. And then you might laugh at some of these other pieces. Yeah, this is actually included. I mean, I'm drinking my water because I like to keep my voice hydrated while I'm filming, but this is a ribbed cup. It's a nice size. It can fit like cappuccino. It's a nice sort of round size. When I was with my daughter, we popped into Home Goods, and you know, when you go to Home Goods, it's like you go down a rabbit hole. I don't actually shop a lot there. I like to just look around for fun, and my daughter likes it too, but I rarely buy anything. I'm not really into like home decor, but she really liked these ribbed cups, and I'm trying to get rid of some of these other cups that we've been using for just too long, and I don't like the material of it. So I like that these are all glass. And they weren't even expensive. For a set of 4 for our family. It was like $9.99, I think. So I'm happy with these. Now here, don't laugh. These are just bowls, 2 bowls, kind of like ice cream bowls or cereal bowls. And they're from the brand Port Myron. I feel like a lot of you will know them. They're made in England, very low maintenance. It says here, dishwasher, microwave, oven, and freezer safe. So it's going to be no fuss. This is the Botanic Garden Meadow collection. They have different designs, and I've seen them all over the place. And I feel like a lot of, like, my mom's generation likes these. And again, I would have probably rolled my eyes and been like, no way. That's just too much going on. I don't need floral pattern on my plates. It's cream colored, which would have been a deal breaker for me because I want everything stark white, at least in the past. And all of this, it's like, I don't need it. But for some reason, once again, it's probably me changing and I'm getting older. I really like this, and I just wanted two. I didn't need a full set for us. I just wanted these for like side dishes. Can you imagine like you put some vegetables in here, like broccoli, let's say, and then you just see this little trim. I don't know. And again, not expensive. I think they were like $9 each. And then I am so happy about these guys. So I've been looking for dessert plates specifically. I just wanted 4 dessert plates for our family. Every day, no frill. And I kept saying to my daughter, I want them to be scalloped. And I really want them to have little strawberries on them. And she was like, okay, that's way too specific. I saw a bunch of scalloped plates online, and I even ordered a set from Lennox, but I didn't like the way it looked when it arrived in person. It's so tricky, right? So when I saw these at Home Goods, I was like, oh my gosh, wait a minute. I'm so not used to finding anything at Home Goods that I was kind of skeptical. Picked it up and I was like, whoa, these are strawberries. There's little flowers and little strawberries sprinkled throughout, and this is clearly scalloped. I like the size of it for, a slice of cake, some dessert. And I just thought it was so adorable, and it's nice to have a little bit of an accent, a tiny bit of pop of color against my all white, very minimalist tableware. So what do you guys think? These two were not expensive. I think they were like $5 each, and there's no specific brand. I didn't really pay attention to it. It says here, Grace Teaware, fine porcelain, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, made in China. I'm not sure if any of you can relate to what I'm saying about just changing tastes and buying things I never would have thought I would buy like 10, 20 years ago. Let me know if you feel like you're going through the same thing. Maybe it's a midlife thing. But these little small things are bringing me quite a bit of joy in small ways, right? And so I hope I can use these every day or very regularly and just be reminded of pops of excitement, I guess, or like just pops of brightness in our day. It's really interesting how unexpected little goodies can kind of lift your mood. But I don't know if you are interested in seeing stuff like this, or if you want me to just stick to fashion. Obviously, plates and bowls are not part of that category. Let me know in the comments below, please. I just want to respect my audience. But the jewelry, for sure, I know you'll appreciate, because there are a lot of jewelry junkies among us, myself included. And like I said, I'll make sure to include more information down below in the description box. Let me know if you have any thoughts, questions. I'll be reading all the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.